Welcome back. Now, what we can do is we can take the product that we want to reuse from the previous offer and add it to the new offer by making it a second product on the same page as with an existing product within this offer. So to demonstrate this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to one of our products. We're going to click Add Product. And we're now going to add the product from the other offer. We're then going to save it. You'll now see that we have two products within the same offer. What we now need to do is add the second buy button to the same page. So we're first going to make sure that we have the right page. We're going to go to our page setup. And we notice that we have our sales page URL. So currently we have one buy button showing up on this page. However, we now have two offers, so that means that we need to have at least two buy buttons on this page. So what we're now going to do is to go and get our code. What we're then going to do is we're going to use the drop down button and we're going to get the code for the second product. And we're now going to grab our buy button code for this product and we're now going to head to our sales page. And we'll add in our HTML and we will update the page. And we now have our two buy buttons on our page. We'll now go and view the page. And you'll see now that we have our two buy buttons on the same page. So we can give our customer a choice between two products within one offer on one page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.